So today we are going to discuss about SQLZOO Net Select from Nobel Tutorial. So in this they have a Nobel literates table in the SQL table, and it has three columns: year, subject, and the winner. And I think it says only using the select statement that we will reach there. But let's see the questions. Change the query shown so that it displays Nobel Prizes for 1950. Select year, subject, winner from Nobel. Nobel is the table. Year 19, okay, it says 1950. So I think it's a given query, and we got the correct answers on this one. Let's go to next. Show who won 1962 prize for literature. So first we will change 1962, then we will just copy this to avoid the spelling mistake, and this is the final. So John Steinbeck won the literature Nobel Prize in year 1962. Show the year and the subject. So first we will take select year, comma, subject from Nobel, where winner so in 1921 for subject physics, Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize. Recent peace prizes. Given the name of the peace winners through the years since the year 2000. Select winner from Nobel where year is greater than 2000. I think this shall work, but it's not giving the right answer because it did not. Okay, so it says subject as peace. Subject now it will give. Oh, again. Oh, it should be equal to. Yeah. So these are the winners since 2000 have won Peace Nobel Prize. Let's go to next. Show all details of literature winners for years 1980 and 1989. Okay, so we can do select star from Nobel, where what is it called, year greater than equal to 1980 and year less than equal to 1989. So this is not correct because we are looking for literature only. So we can here put and subject literature. Okay, so let's go to next. Show all the details of presidential winner. Presidential winner. Okay, how will we know that it's a president or not? Let's see. Uh, let's do differently. Winner in Theodore Roosevelt, Woodrow Wilson, Jimmy Carter, Barack Obama. But we don't need year because nobody's asking for that. They asked for all details and we got the all details. So they all won Peace Nobel Prize in 1906, 1919, 2002 and 2009. Let's go to next. Their first name is Zone. Okay. Select winner from Nobel, where winner like John percentage. I think this shall give us the right answer. Yeah, all the John came, except there is no Jonathan. So if you want to, like, put a space here, then also it will give the right answer. Yeah, because that will omit the possibility that somebody's name starts with John. Chemistry and physics from different years. Show the subject. Okay. Select star from Nobel where year equal to 1980 and subject equal to, we can do union as well, because that can give us complete, because the columns are same, that's why we can do union. Or we have another one as well. I think this should give the right answer. Wrong answer. Why? Year, subject, winner of the physics together with the chemistry winners from 1984. Hmm, interesting. Oh, they are saying this should come first. Why? But in question it was not mentioned that way. Means we can definitely move this thing and this on the top. Okay, I don't think so, that because in the question it did not mention who should come first, so I don't think that is making any difference. Let's go next. Let's go to next. uh, Show the subject year of the winners excluding chemistry and, okay, select star from Nobel where subject not in, okay, for year 1980 and year, show the year, subject and name of people who won a medicine prize in an early year before 1910 together with the winners of the literature prize in a year after 2004. Okay, let's copy this thing. Show the year, subject and the name people won medicine prize. So this time I'm putting the first one later in the year, earlier year before 1910. So this will be less than 1910. Literature in the year later after 2004. Okay, so it is giving 15. Okay, it says including this but not including that. Okay, so last one will come first and the first one will come last. Okay, Unamalt. See all the details. Prizes won by Peter. Select star from Nobel where winner equal to Okay. So this time we can take in because of that. So in SQL there can be multiple ways of solving one problem, but it's up to you which one you want to choose. So it says error. You can't put a single quote in a quote directly. You can use two single quotes within a single string. Okay. List the starts with sir. Select star. Winner, year, subject from Nobel, where winner like sir percentage, order by winner, order by year descending. I think it should be and. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Hmm. Okay. Still there are some wrong answers. Uh-oh. Okay. So guys, this was okay. So we have next question 14. Let's go to that one. In the expression subject in chemistry physics can be used as value, it will be 0 or 1. So this expression will give 0 and 1. Okay. Show the 1984 winner. Here is already taken. Subject order by name, but the list of chemistry and physics last. Let me run this. So it says, so chemistry is coming on the top because of this, because subject is chemistry in as C, that will be 1. Okay, let's copy this because we can definitely and put it in the front so that it can take all the ones down. So now you can see that Richard Stone economics is on top, literature, medicine, peace, chemistry, physics, and it has too many columns. So we need only winners and subject. We can just remove this, and I think this shall give us our answers. Okay, cool. So this was the video, guys. It is done. This is done. The select from Nobel tutorial. I hope you learned something and it will help you in understanding way better for your interviews as well. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.